Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Polaroid pictures on Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to your design in Canva. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the left side of your design and click on Elements. This is where you'll find all the graphic elements, shapes, and frames that Canva offers to enhance your projects. Next, click on the Search Elements field at the top of the Elements panel. In this search bar, type Polaroid frame. This will help you quickly locate the specific frame style you're looking for instead of scrolling through hundreds of options. Canva will instantly display a variety of Polaroid-style frames from the search results. Take a moment to browse through them and select one that matches your vision. Once you've found the perfect frame, click on it to add it to your design. The frame will appear on your canvas and you can start working with it right away. Now, you'll want to resize the frame to fit your design perfectly. Simply drag a corner handle of the frame until it reaches your preferred size. Dragging from the corner ensures the frame maintains its proportions and doesn't look stretched or distorted. With your frame ready, it's time to add your photo. Go back to the left side of your design and click on Uploads. This section allows you to bring in your own images from your computer. Click Upload Files and a window will open where you can browse your folders. Select the photo you want to use from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. Depending on the file size, this might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to complete. Once your photo has uploaded successfully, drag it directly onto the Polaroid frame you added earlier. Canva will automatically fit the image inside the frame, but you'll likely need to adjust it for the best composition. Double-click the photo inside the frame to enter editing mode where you can adjust its position or zoom level. This lets you reposition the image or zoom in and out to get the perfect framing within the Polaroid border. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click outside the frame to apply the crop and lock in your changes. Now you can click the Polaroid frame and drag it to the desired position on your design. This gives you full control over where the Polaroid appears in relation to other elements you might have on your canvas. When everything looks just right, click Share in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click Download. You'll see format options appear. Select PNG for a digital image that works great for sharing online or posting on social media. If you're planning to print your Polaroid picture, select PDF instead as it maintains higher quality for physical prints. Finally, click Download to save the completed Polaroid picture to your computer. And that's it, you've successfully created a Polaroid-style picture in Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.